Jump ball, first possession goes to Matani. Balik kay Bangus. Bangus, right to fly. Mangubat, nagparamdam agad. Balik kay Magat. Magat, atake. Nice assist to number 22, Ramirez. With the pass. Bangus. Bangus once again. Bangus doing his magic once again. Molina, harassed by Ramirez. Still by RG Saitono. Ramirez, walk in the park layup. Sinalis pa ni Bangus yung tira. Walang problema para kay Ramirez. Magat on the move. Extra fight to Ramirez. Magat, another assist. The clash. 10 on the clock. Balik kay Bangus. Bangus bibit-bit. Bangus following jumper. Automatic. Para Saitono. Saitono. Nice fight to Ramirez. Saitono with the assist. Not this time around. Rebound play na kay RG Saitono. Rebound niya sa shoot. Ramirez lets it fly. Ramirez wala. Nice rebound by RG. RG following jumper. Backs it in on top of D-League. Magat. Attacking the defense of Bangus. Tasano. And this should be a touchdown for Magat. Ramirez assist. Po ang BLDG. John Lloyd attacking Magat. Offensive foul of Bangus. Ramirez. Back to Madrina. Open three-pointer. Bang! Three-point shot here. Rualo. On the move. Rualo floater. Basket for Rualo. 11-7. Michael to Madrina. Another three on the way. Pakalawa na para kay Madrina. Rualo. Three-point shot. Molina. Basket. Contreras. On the drive. Contreras. Basket. For balik kay Ramos. Ramos for three. Bang! Madrina with the assist. D-League. Still by 12. Dire-diretso. D-League all the way. Pectos. Madrina. Madrina. Aliyop to Ramirez. Step on the line. Okay. D-League. High-low to Mangubat. What the assist? Ramirez long two. Jumper is good for Ramirez via isolation. Balik kay Ramirez. Three-point shot by Saktalan. Yes! That's a call. Goes to Molina. Nag-cut si D-League 14. D-League with the basket. Banker is good. Could not bounce in. Rebound D-League. D-League reverse layup is good. Montañez. No problem in the first. Two-point Montañez. Rualo. Balik kay D-League. D-League. To Rualo. Rualo all the way. Number 12. Dire-diretso. D-League nice location to Rualo. Another assist by number Ramirez. Nice cut. Magat. Sinali si Saitono. Saitono with the reverse. Si RG Saitono. Nagpasabi. RG. Saitono. 1 for 2 for Saitono. Molina needs to shoot this one up. Airball. Rebound. Mangubat. Via one hand. Apay to Ramirez. Ramirez. Offensive foul. Isa sa dalawa. D-League dire-diretso. Nice assist to Rualo. Sumabay pa si Ramirez. Nice screen by Monte de Ramos. Magat. Squeezing through traffic. There's a foul. Pasok ang una para Magat. 1 for 2 for Magat. Rebound play na kanino? Na kay Ebreo. Nakalik out si Magat. Magat all the way. Wala. Rebound. RG. Sinicure ni RG. Sayang. Nice find to John Lloyd. Too strong. Rebound. Put back. Number 14 D-League. Magat. Nice screen by Monte de Ramos. Basket is good for Magat. Back to Velasco. Back to D-League for the tie. That's a big three-pointer for D-League. Mangubat. Di nalalaman ito. Libre na si Mangubat. Mangubat. Mortal set. Leaving him open. Bang! That's a mortal set. Madrina already with 3 fouls. Madrina off the pirouette. Wala. Rebound Mangubat. Ramirez. Nice screen by Monte de Ramos. Ramirez drives the basket. That's a big one for Ramirez. D-League, Molina for 3. Bang! That's a big 10 on the shot clock for the yellow shirts. Steal by Magat. Ramirez up ahead. Ramirez all the way. Magat with the assist. League. Balik kay Velasco. 10 on the shot clock for the yellow shirts. D-League. Velasco, 6 seconds. Dilig number 12. 4 seconds to shoot. Molina to Dilig. 1 second to go. Umabot na. Asaytono. Naka-leak out na. Ramirez to Bren. Bren. Sorry, miss. Those active hands by Mango. 3 by RG Asaytono. 3-on-1. RG to Magat. Asaytono. Oh! Bakat's finest. JL Derecho. Yes, how will BLDG respond? Valencia with a big 3-pointer. Bang! Fred Vargas Valencia on the shot clock. Dilig. A steal by BLDG. Dilig, no, pinasa kay Velasco. Against sa Saitono. Turnover, substitution. For Kataning.
Ito lang mo kapite.
Nice assist, Turualo. Turualo. Molina. Ito si JL. JL. 5 seconds, foul si Bren. Stop, they go to Dilig. Balikin number 12, 10 on the shot clock. Kataning looking for the knockout blow. Bren. Dilig first try. Wala. Dilig. Basket time to para sa BLDG. Pag nashoot ni Dilig. Wala. Rebound play na kanino. Dilig top set. A steal by Ramirez. Foul on Molina. RG Asaytono. Goes to Magat. 10 seconds na lang sa ating fourth quarter. RG Asaytono for the tie. In and out. Rebound. Na kanino. Magat. Top set. Ramirez for overtime. No! And Kataning will go 3-0 in this battle of the Giants.